Is a robot alive if it walks? Is fire alive because it moves and grows? Not everything that seems alive is. In biology, we use 7 key signs of life, and they all fit into one easy acronym: Mrs. Gren. If something does all of those 7 key signs, then yeah, it is alive. And if something doesn't, like misses one thing, um, they are not alive. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's find out the 7 signs of life. Mrs. Gren helps us remember the 7 processes or the 7 key factors that is present in all living things. Well, Mrs. Gren, it stands for M over here. It means movement. R over here, it means respiration. S over here, it means sensitivity. And T over there, which means growth. R, again, don't mix that up with respiration. That one's reproduction. And E over here, it is excretion. And N means nutrition. Well, if something is missing any one of them, then that thing is not alive. Like if it does not have nutrition, it is not alive. If it does not have growth, it is not alive. Let us break each of these letters and have some examples included. Well, all living things move. Well, what about plants? Plants, they do move. But they move slowly, turning leaves to catch sunlight or, opening flowers. Even tiny, tiny cells move substances around inside them. Okay, moving on to the next one, which is respiration. So we know R is for respiration. No, it's not just breathing. Like, respiration is how cells release energy from foods. Yeah. It spatially happens in the mitochondria, you know. It is present in all and every living cells. That energy, it powers everything from muscle movements to growing plants. Yes. Moving on to the next one, which is sensitivity. Well, living things react to changes. It's called stimuli. Suppose you sat on your chair and your friend put a pin in your chair. Well, you sat on it without knowing what can happen. But just when the sharp point of that pin hit you screamed with pain and you just stood up so that your body won't get hurt. Well, yeah, you just saved yourself. Well, that's stimuli. Yeah, that's sensitivity. Or you blink when something moves near your eyes, and the plant also bends towards the light, that's also sensitivity. Even bacteria, they move away from toxic chemicals. Well, in the end of the day, all living things react to changes. Well, all living things grow. Either by doesn't really matter if it increases in size or by adding cells. From a tiny seed to a giant tree, and also from a baby to an adult. Growth is a sure sign of life. Moving on to the reproduction. It's how living things they make new life. Some do it sexually, like humans and animals, and others, like bacteria, they copy themselves through cell division. Excretion. This means removing waste that is made inside your body. You know, we breathe in oxygen so that it can reach our bloodstream and then we can finally, function properly. And at the same time, we also remove carbon dioxide from our body. Well, that's excretion. Yeah, it's pretty much removing waste from your body. And plants also release oxygen. Well, yeah, they don't need oxygen. Oxygen is the waste for them. And every living thing needs to get rid of waste to stay healthy. The last but not the least, nutrition. All living things take in materials for energy and growth. Animals, they eat food. You eat food, don't you? And plants, they absorb sunlight and minerals to make their own food. Without nutrition, well, it would be like a car without any fuel. Well, thank you for watching. Well, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next episode. And of course, give this video a like. And thank you for watching.